Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 13th of September 2018. So yesterday in the pound, the market sideways to begin with, you can see there, and then all of a sudden we see the market move higher, not by a great deal, and then here we've got a retracement, which you can see there, and then down until the market sees the buying coming into the markets here and here before moving back to the upside. You can see the potential buy signal there. Price is then driving through the DP level and also the close and the 200 bar moving average as well. You can see the 2 points where the market went through. So not a lot really. We did make a new high, and if you look at the daily chart, you will see there it traded right up to the 76% retracement at 138.0, which we've had drawn in for several days, coming off this high and this low. So the pound sort of getting into a bit of a sideways range. Whether May is challenged for a premiership, who knows? We'll just have to wait and see there, but certainly going to be interesting going forward for the pound. There isn't going to be too many days as we head towards March where there's not a lot of volatility, that's for sure. Meanwhile, in the Dow, very strange day actually. The market started off by moving higher, then moved down, found some support, and then moved higher on low volume. You can see this here. Well, I'll say low volume, just below average. And the buying came in on this bar here, which is most odd, before prices then moved higher. Again, there's a bit of selling pressure there, isn't quite picked up, and then some more buying, and then eventually we end up with potential weakness at this level, and the market sailed down. We got the retracement, the market moved down, and then we get below yesterday's high where we see a potential sell signal, and the market moves lower. So a bit of an odd one for yesterday, I have to say, but sometimes that can be the case when the crude oil inventories are released. The market seems to do some strange things beforehand and following, which very, very odd day there, especially this price bar where it just sort of kept driving up on not the greatest of volume. Let's be kind and put it that way. In the daily chart, well, you can see what problem we've got here. It's stuck in the sideways range. Market struggling with the 76% on the upside there. We're going to have a bit of a tidy up here and get rid of this. We'll get rid of this 76% retracement as well. So there we can see a bit of a clearer picture of what's going on in this sideways move at the moment. I'll just save this. So yeah, Dow sideways, simple as that. Today, monetary policy summary. This is out at midday. Official bank rate, MPC. Rate votes also out as well. And then we've got the main refinancing rate, whatever that is. That's a new one on me, from the European Union. And ECB conference. We've got a lot today. Yeah, mainly UK, Europe. I think this main refinancing rate, no, not at all. I don't know. Anyway, 0% forecast at 0. I will have a look and see what that is. Drog is speaking at 1:30, and a couple of FOMC members later on. Notice since Yellen's gone that we don't get as many Federal Reserve people wheeled out. They used to be wheeled out on a more or less daily basis, but that appears to have tapered off since the new chap's taken the job, whose name escapes me at the moment. He's never seen anywhere. Completely different to Yellen and Bernanke, that's for sure. Right, Bitcoin market sideways there, still top end of the sideways range at the moment. Not doing a lot, not a lot to report. Volume low as well. Simple as that. No point dwelling on this one until this market really starts to kick off once more. And the Federal Reserve chap, it is Powell, has just come to me, Jerome Powell. Like I say, he's not seen by many at all. He seems to be very, very behind the scenes sort of Federal Reserve chairman, which is most unusual. Anyway, that aside, that will do it for this one. If there's anything to report later, I will let you know. But other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.